the gateway to Ilocania, I'm Fair Lady Padilla Abaco representing Rosario, a happy town. Rosario flaunts a panoramic picture of vibrance and colorful spirit, being the first town to welcome you as you venture a memorable experience here in La Union. Rosario gives you a refreshing view of pristine nature and welcoming town folks. Living with the tagline, "A happy town," every townspeople never fail to share their smiles and sense of positivity.
Here in Rosario, we welcome and treat everyone as family. We will let you experience Rosario, a happy town. Come and join us!
Yay!
I am working on a vision of preparing a sustainable future for the upcoming generation. Sharing my knowledge and involving myself in a campaign that will transform our community in a greener hue. Rosario has been active in supporting our dear La Union's trust towards agritourism. Isa sa mga dinarayo at tunay na pinagmamalaking bayan ng Rosario ay ang Rocapor's Farm. Welcome din ng mga turista sa Albay Farm to experience how milk is being extracted from our carabaos. Kung ang hanap nyo ay total relaxation at nature tripping, you will surely enjoy Monte del Rosario! Sa aming bayan. Ito ay ang Linubian Festival na sumasalamin sa pagkakaisa at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa biyaya ng lupa at sa puong may kapal. I envision for a more sustainable future for every family,
For every community.
and for the whole nation.
Towards a greener and brighter future.
There's no better time than now.